I work so hard, you know. Sometimes in life, 'cause everywhere I go, things don't always go your way, you know. I push so hard. I mean, we struggle every day, hoping things change. I'ma keep my head up, I'ma make it to the top. But till then, keep your head up. Hey.
I work so hard to get where I am. Tell me why I feel this way. 'Cause everywhere I go, people don't know that I'm about to go crazy. I push so hard like every day. Don't really give a damn what they say. I'ma keep my head up, I'ma make it to the top. Now tell me who gon' ride for me. Tell me will you ride for me. Tell me will you cry for me. Stay on my side, I'ma stay on my grind. Tell me will you ride for me.